Not even Billy want make money in a Ricky. Not have powers like me in a Riverton, brother. So watch the thing now. Blingers, the man them want kill me. Because you see, blingers them kill me, them run the whole place. And that the man them want to kill me if you run the whole place. Without me dead, them can't run the whole place. Without me dead, them have to live and fret. Because you see, when me they are jail, them dominate the place. When I say the man them dominate the place when they are jail, me mean the man them dominate the place.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. This is the part 2 from the Riverton youth, where I talk and I explain what's going on over there in Riverton. Listen. This is riveting. Yo, listen, me can't believe this. Me cannot believe this. This is crazy. And like me say, this is just a snapshot of one community. Yo, this really show Jamaica is out of control. Listen to some of the thing where the man I talk about the blingers them and the man them I get gone, this, that. Yo, with all the technology and all the intelligence the Jamaican police and soldier have, how come them can't get this thing under control? Listen, me I listen to that youth here, and me I go jump in and interject and give my opinion. Let's go.
From 2017 to 2021 to 2022, blingers dominate Riverton. When we say dominate, me mean dominate Riverton, bad man. But yet still, as me come now, cause when me they are jail in a bad man, the man them buy up how much in rifle, how much in gun power them have already, you know. And I say, when me come, me have it dead. Which them done a plan say me nah come, cause them a spend money to send me a prison. But them done a prepare, cause them know say I know so me go to prison. Them know that, cause me tell you, around them me start bad. So them know say to send me a prison dog is not an easy task. But them try that and it fail. So them buy up.
Yo, when I listen that, the man say around the blingers them in start get bad. And the man them a buy up a bag of gun. Him say enough gun them buy up. Them a spend them money to send him go to prison. But through them know say him a real bad boy. Them a say if him do come out of prison, them a buy up all them gun there for kill him. So me I say, where the war start for? And what really make all this violence materialize? Yeah, tell me say, listen, people have them disagreement and them can't sit down and talk about this and discuss this. This don't make any sense, yo. Jamaica is a blood hungry country. Let's go.
So them buy up them machine them now, cause them system start chop off 1 and 2 and make case them. So the man them buy up them machine them now. And say what you want now. Anytime say my family come on road, come here and send check to me in that. Family come in a brother. I'm still stay so easy. Remember I know the man them kill my brother and kill 4 more youth from Kahim Town, you know. And me come and still stay so easy, you know. What you want now. You see when Badams them come from prison and blame them and them man they Benny them and the whole of them man they saw the war kick off between them and Badams them now. So I saw blingers them make for them name in a Riverton, in a the badness. So me I say so them for them motto is as me tell you, any man them can't kill, them pay police to kill. So
when you hear that, the man say for them motto is any man them can't kill, them pay police to kill. And enough man at Jamaica think like that. Yo, me not lie though. Sometime in my life, in the past, me used to think like that with the revenge, the bloodthirsty. Me feel like, yo, if a boy, yo, me have to get him. But this is sickening. this is sickening. Him kinda I talk about the war while the war jump off, but him still not give no straight or detailed information while the war kick off. As far as me see, the war kick off over ego. The man them are some maniac or some psycho them dog.
So when them and bottoms them start war, you know, the man them goes up and they don't know we they around them as a juvenile. We start mad up thing, we and kill me them and mad up thing wicked. So we get with the bottoms them now, so them get a fame and a name in the place. In the badness. So them start the dancing now and start the badness.
So him say bring them, get rid of bottoms. It seems like I them get rid of bottoms to bring them. Cause bring them was disco boy. But you know what's funny? Me have a story with me want do in a Cockburn pen about Bully Riverton, man. Him name Dan. And something similar. So me I wonder if the man them did a bad up the disco boy them and then them get bad. But let's go and hear what the youth say. It is crazy.
You understand me I say? So I tell you from them time they know when me go to book and them good. The man them end up go to book and sell me out to police, brother. In 2011, the man them sell me out to police. Police nearly kill me. You see me? I end up kill one of my local friend them. Cause me and the dog, the man them sell out. And I want policeman make me know straight, so you are that go on. So I stop.
Whoa, when you see the betrayal, he must say, I bring us them, him and them a spar, and them sell him out to police. And them kill him like a friend in 2011. And he must say, is a policeman make him know that, yo, what the hell is going on in Jamaica? Yo, B, you don't understand how a man go join a gang and see the kind of culture and the betrayal, the killing and the betrayal. There is no loyalty. There is none of that in Jamaica. You cannot par with a man and kill for him, and next thing you know, he might go sell you out to police, or he might go murder you, or make man from other place come kill you. Let's go and listen to this some more. Now it kinda make a little bit of sense.
So I stop par around the man them and start par on my side, but me and them still good. Me and them not have nothing. Still all my side. Me go pass up on them ends, we heal up our deal and everything good. And that's all the thing there. You see me? But what you go on now, dog, you see from me drop a jail, dog. The man them decide, so you watch another dog sign of there and no man no depend on the ground for stop with, you know. As much as Shabba was Riverton #1 wanted man. The man are the most wanted in a Riverton when Riverton and Waterhouse when me there jail Shabba and him and Blingers them a war. So I want to know if Blingers them are such a saint. Oh, them in a war with the most wanted man a Riverton when me there jail. That more I want to know. So watch you know. When the man them and bottoms them a war in a dog, the man them kill a youth on a shooter's lane we come from Greenwich Farm to Rima, where them call name Problem. You see me? You have a youth, the same. See a mini me there, we par with Blingers. Mini me. And Bumbuckler, the next to go on a name, you remember film name. Kill Bumbuckler, Problem. You understand? Kill Problem, bad man. And when the man them kill Problem, the man them use style and so watch out. The bottoms them kill Problem, you know, cause Problem of a twin brother will come from Greenwich Farm. But them and bottoms them link, or bottoms them and Problem par. But when the man them kill Problem, the man them use style and say, yo, bottoms them do it.
Yo, me I listen to this thing here, and this shit is crazy. Yo, this sound like a Sherlock Holmes. Who did it? Who done it? When you watch Murder on the Oriental Express, where a French detective I try to find out who did it. Yo, this is crazy. The man them kill a man where a par in a Riverton, where link a Rima and link a Greenwich Farm. And then them must say Badams them know the man, a Badams them do it. But really a Badams them do it, a Blingers them do it. Him start par with Blingers. Me I try break it down for me, you know. Him start par with Blingers them, the youth we attack. But him still hear them. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, me don't know how them man I say them a do badness. Cause the whole of them a go dead. A long time, the bad man them a work with police. Cause me know a boy from a certain neighborhood, and that him do to the whole of him blood clot friend them, pardon my language. Make the man them go do things, and then him send police go for the gun them. Cause him and the police them go school down at Huntsville. And yo, I saw the thing said. So that youth here, what him a talk about is nothing unique and nothing new. Him should have know this as a bad man. But it is interesting so we can really get on the inside and the psyche of all them man that think dog. Yo, it is really convoluted, sick. Yo, them for going on a mental institution, put them in a back of tractor trailer and dump them over Bellevue, yo. Let's go.
So the man them said that now Badams them end up got Greenwich Farm problem, brother end up kill back one of Badams friend them now when name them are. You see what me I say? So watch out now, me I tell them you parabling as them time there, you know. So watch this now. So the man them with them problem, you see the youth when name Benny now, we dead up a sandbed, right up a Rambo side there. So the youth they say Benny baby mother, and she and Kemi there right now, you know. She and Kemi live, you know, Kemi breed her about 2 youth, you know. Benny baby, I mean I tell you say a blingers, you have I see him youth down, I tell you say me buck up in a wedding when name Kush. Our next one when name Kiddy. They call him Piggy Dave, the 2 of them are family. Him and Kush kill Benny. The bomb buckler morning upper blood clot sandbed upper Rambo there. So KlLLLNG them a come from and buck Benny the man in upper Rambo a hustle and kill the youth. Yes, so the man them kill Benny. It end up that's my name start cause and me kill Benny. Dog, you know what the man them do? Shoot out me and all got to police in a better. So as so comes now Sambo, which are Benny uncle, pay police now, which are the same Prendy for kill Bumbucklad, me and Ogad. So the night now, Ogad the man them end up kill Ogad at the police, them end up kill Ogad the night. You understand? When we go so now boop, you know, I end up got jail, you know, brother. Me end up get charged with Benny murder, you know. I run remand for Benny murder. Them time I tell me and them apart, but now me kill Benny, you know. I Kush and Piggy Dave kill Benny, you know. But yet still me still hold it, you know. I know such a badness on my dog them. I'm run off remand 2011, 2012, them time I got jail charge with that murder. They were me not doing it, brother. But the whole of our friend, some holy, I know such a part of the game that. Yes, what I say, Badams now Billy pay money. The man run money for you, brother, to go kill Bumbuckler Badams downtown, brother. Manchester Lane bad man down a town. You see me? The man run money for you with them for go slap it. Badams, so as me tell you, the man them say any man them can't kill, them pay police to kill. You see me? So I saw the man them pay money now and slap way Badams down a them and town. So I saw the man them say the man them have a next local brother when the Aboriginal name Ziggy. I saw the man them pay you with to come kill Ziggy in a him house round a shooter's lane and you style. You see me? Yeah, dog, I saw the man them pay dog and blood clot slap with Ziggy bad man in a style in a shoot. Me I tell you about blingers in the whole of them murder. Me I tell you about history of blingers in a brother. Both when me there jail and both when me there round them in a bad man. How much thing?
Boy, this thing this thing is so riveting to blow out. Me sit down and me I listen it. And me I listen it, you know. And I go through it. But me still can't wrap my head. You have so many names. Blingers, Piggy, Oh God. And the list goes on and on and on. The youth here, it seems like, you know, like blingers them. It seems like blingers them have money. Him say them used to dance disco and them do a couple thing and them send police on him. But my thing is, him should have been know this. And when me can't understand, cause me think real bad man move in a silence. But it seems like the dynamic kinda change. So when a man do something, everybody know and them tell and them pop champagne and them just get a dopey and just get a skull and. But me, from when me know, real bad man move in a silence. But there is no silence with them youth here in a Riverton. Let's go.
How much thing the man them are going with? If the man them not be a police, the man them are kill themselves. But yet still everybody a come on the media a say bling as them a businessman. So me want somebody come on the media come tell me say one of them murder where me say bling as them do, I know them do it. Company come tell me that. Hear the beef now with me and blingers now. See through my little brother dead dog. The man them, you might blingers them afraid of me like puss. Every single boy of blingers afraid of me like puss. Kemi to Billy to Ricky to every boy will walk up at that afraid of me like puss. And I tell me I tell you that dog. So you see, me come from jail now, them know so them can't fight no war with me. Them have to go use police or them have to use beercraft for police kill me cause blingers can't war it. That blingers them have more than 7 rifles up there. And me can tell you so me alone can walk up and blingers go lick down any man up at that at all. Cause them pussy that you say me come them a run like them mama dead. So that me still try to show you so where there when you see me go to book and I go over business. And came me fire the shot them off of me. Dog over him yard the man stay upon some pan a fence bad man. And me a pass the lane, me done me now walk nowhere near the man them ends. Which pan me a walk a more than 10 yards away from the man them ends bad man. If you check from Kemi yard a more than 10 yards away, me a walk from the man them ends bad man. But some of the yard them now kinda mash down so a be empty space there. But which pan me a walk a 10 yards away from the man. So when him stand up on film fence, him can say right down which pan me a walk. So I saw the man see me and go about my business now charge it. And turn him thing down the palm me charge and start fire. Be a white shot off of me, my friend. And now me no fire no shot off of the man. Let me fire shot. You say if the church never keep, me can tell you, me Siren can tell you if the church never keep. Me fuck up your whole of blingers ends. Me fuck up your whole.
Why when me listen to this, it's like that war never stop. Because the war coming like Medusa. Cause he must say boy people are say blingers them a businessman. Them have X amount of rifle. He know all of them things, them don't know how he know them personal thing. But anyways, he must say from him little brother dead, bringers them afraid of it. But him not really explain why. He must say him can't lick down any man, one youth shoot off him. And it was a Sunday man walk about in business, the youth the 10 yard down and shoot off him. Him say if it wasn't for the church, he would have mashed up a blingers. Him said them afraid of him like puss. Him can walk out there and lick down any man and etc etc. So more know if it make out of iron or Teflon bulletproof. It just doesn't make sense. Yo, the man them have a hate in themselves in Jamaica, it's crazy. But what is even more crazier, if you don't know Riverton is really a dump, you know. It shouldn't even be a community. And near Seaview, you know, and KlLLLNG, half a Spanish Town Road. You understand? So, it is a small place. So I cannot understand, yo, Cockburn Pen bigger than it, Jungle bigger than it. I cannot understand this. So The war in this community, I don't want to sound crazy, you know. It is similar to what's going on in the Middle East in terms of you have a close proximity. Israel, Palestine, blingers, KlLLLNG, and the kind of craft and ingenuity that they put into killing each other, it's crazy. You understand? It's crazy. It's if I live at the bottom of the road and someone live on the top of the road, war going on, somebody have to get caught up in it. It's impossible. And I like say foreign, and you go so boom and live at California and you can blow go to Miami. Or you live at Toronto and you can blow go to Vancouver. Or you live at London and you can blow go to Leeds. It's not like that. Another thing, it seems like blingers them have money. And any war you do, you have to have money. Una war and go back in the neighborhood. Una live down there, una family and friends are dead off. When una war, una if you have money, una know say, yo, Ray. Cause if you don't have money, you're dead, you're dead. So it is crazy. Now, I'm gonna wrap this up because I said I was gonna do a part 2, but this video is so long. This is the part 2. I'm gonna do a part 3 and maybe a part 4. But yo, I want to know what y'all think about this. It is crazy. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, this is crazy. Me can't stop listening to that video, yeah.